Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something fun and a bit cheeky. How to break Google Translate in 2025. If you've ever relied on Google Translate for a quick language fix, you know it's a game changer, but it's not perfect. By 2025, AI has gotten smarter, but there are still ways to trip it up. Let's explore how you can expose its limitations and maybe even have a laugh along the way. First off, why bother? Understanding Google Translate's flaws helps us appreciate the challenges of AI language processing. It's like poking at a digital wizard to see where the magic falters. One classic way to break it is with idioms and cultural expressions. For example, try translating the English phrase, "It's raining cats and dogs." In 2025, Google might still render it literally in another language, like Spanish, saying something absurd about animals falling from the sky instead of heavy rain. Hilarious, right? Next, homophones. Words that sound the same but mean different things can really stump the system. Take bass, as in fish, versus bass, as in music. If you input a sentence with both, Google Translate might mix them up, leading to total confusion in translation. We've got more advanced tools now, but this trick still works wonders. Another fun method is using rare dialects or endangered languages. Google Translate has expanded its database by 2025, but niche variations, like certain Scottish Gaelic dialects, can leave it fumbling for words. Feed it a sentence in an obscure form, and you'll get gibberish or incomplete translations. Don't forget context. AI struggles with sarcasm or nuanced contexts. Translate a sarcastic remark like, "Oh, great job," when it's actually criticism, and it might take it at face value. In 2025, with improved neural networks, it's better, but not foolproof. Lastly, combining these, say, an idiom in a rare dialect with homophones, can completely break it. The result? A mangled mess that's gold for memes. So, there you have it. Breaking Google Translate isn't about being malicious, it's about learning and improving tech. Try these out yourself, but remember, use it responsibly. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your funniest translation fails in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.